he's been a wonderful dad. I love my dad because he always is with Mum. Everywhere he goes, what he does, it's always with Mum, and I'm so grateful for that. He always provided for us, and that was always something he did. And a friendly person as well. Growing up, my dad was always hard on me, but I know there's a reason for that. He was just trying to push me to do the right thing, work hard and be happy. My dad, I really got to see the love my dad has for his family, because every weekend my brother and I would be playing sports, we'd be going around family functions, and so that's what we'll be doing every weekend, and I guess that's why we're so close to our family, and I'm very grateful for that. Being married and having children, I can see that Dad really loved his grandchildren. He loved them more than me, and that was hard to swallow, but I understand that a love of a grandparent to their grandchildren is different. And I'm grateful I saw that. I'm grateful my children were able to share that with their granddad. My children call him Pa, and whatever they needed, he would do. He would even give up the car and walk to work so that his oldest grandchild could have the car. That's the sort of sacrifice he did, and he continued to do it right to the last day. His favorite buddy at this time is my baby, Titus. And Titus was very close to him. I am so thankful that you're all here. I can feel your love and I appreciate it. The scripture that comes to mind and that I memorized when growing up when I was little is John 3:16, and it says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whoever believeth in him shall not perish but have eternal life." And that's a lesson my dad has taught me. To do all that we can so that we can gain eternal life. I know that he's in a better place and we will see him again. I'm comforted by that. I know that timing is real and that it helps us at this time. I'm so grateful for everyone that's here. I love you all, and this is my testimony. I live with you in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Let's call upon our Lord and share a few words.
kami. Berapa day? Hikiyay tahan ini apa? Mentak dia bawa tahan ini apa bawa berway tak. Cái ngao gì đấy thì đã không biết lại đã biết vậy không đây thì họ cho mà đi một đám mà phải đâu biết sẽ đủ để mà đi không ra lá cái mà bắt dia mewah tak boleh. Depois a cara panggil apa ini? Orang malu dia bocor, di bawah awal begini orang ini orang itu main bawa pikiran mana berani jual tak kalau boleh cai pembalap dia berbuat orang kaya berpihak ini orang một ví dụ tại phải chính các quỷ đi cái làm nó nhà là như vậy một ta học đi xem mà anh đi cái con chỉ một bạn con ngon cũng đẹp cũng quá thì cũng có chỗ ấy ta cái là tôi thì phải mà thế bây giờ nào bên cái khu này có ối dia mai dia dah Tuhan kan dipakai. Hanya yang mungkin kita tahu kalau ada apa tak ada. Baik tu dia sekarang dia kau ini ada kau dia ini. Jangan dia nak dia. Jangan dia nak dia. Tôi quá đi chỉ mặc phải con quá con biết tại nó má nó cái gì à thì ôm nha tôi ta cái chú làm nó thì còn sao thì tôi làm nó phải mà má nó cái gọi là thao nó tôi chỉ là hiểu rồi tôi sẽ ăn là ôm cái kiểu làm nó thì còn cao boleh ya bukan malu itu apa malu itu bukan apa boleh boleh jauh Dapat jadi motor, motor. Tapi tak, apa? Tahu tak tadi. Apa mana ni jadi motor dan saya motor dah. Ini paling apa buat? Ini lah. Boleh lihat di bawah, buat. Kalau apa mau jadi motor, motor ni.
Saya dah masih berpikir, berpikir ya, dia tua, aku malu tua, malu, awalnya malu, ini, apa ni kau malu, jadi motor dia masih lama. Ini malu dia rumah tua. Jadi kalau yang itu malu dia tahu, tahu motor rumah tua apa masih lama lagi. Yang mobil pulau tu ramai. Kalau dulu itu, kalau mata anak, kena itu ni, kalau kamu hewan ni, kena alu, kena alu, jadi dia tosi ujar, jadi kita tahu begitu. Ako il pagkakapau, ako ito tabi, ako umumay, ako rin kato. Malo ko si Moimoi family, bueno, Paul Koloti family. Ako ito pagkakapau, ako yung motor, o ito yung motor kang biyay. Eko ako rin, wow molis, oi tuha, eko ako ko ni mawe. Ane ko meron, ako kaya mali, ako kaya aho. Kaya nga kaya pagkatonga, teo iyay. Eko ako kaya nawe, ay kumatay, kamay. Oh, tenemos que bueno, ahora otro día. Ya otro como familia, ya otro como familia, Wow, ini, apa yang loco? Kayak, ya kami ini, apa ya tahu yang familia, itu mali, sama kita tahu, itu apa? Oke, nama lo itu motor. Kalau ni kau kemarin, kau kalah dia dia. Kau dia buat, mau kifan kau kalah dia baik. Kau ni baik tu, hidup tak kaya lo. Mama, don't worry, I'll look after you. Family and friends, thank you so much for coming. It means a lot to see your smiling faces. It means a lot to the Taufa family that you're able to make it here, even though it's very early in the morning. But I know we all love to wake up early. To all the leaders, thank you for being here. All the uncles and aunties, thank you so much for travelling all the way here. Children, know that I love you. And don't forget, if someone's getting married, if there's a birthday, if there's a funeral, boom, I'll be. Just like to let you know that I love you all very much. I love my family, my wife, my kids, nephews, nieces, especially my dad. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Kamalo mo ai au nga pe koe. Ko kita foto ton ta fo mole ke mo to ko hi koe program na tawa koe programa koe palu ta pamatai. Ta ko hi na to kita la ko mo ya nge ai fale mate ai ko ho fu o da ko ho fu e pa ai ne fa e ki me fale lo tun. Ko e tolo mai programa Paula rei o gai ni tamke fei ka mai ka mata he paru rio ko ko mo kai di moto family no vale de o kalama ya ko mi tai ko ni ko lai ka moto pa ta di te ma ha idea mana meri ki tau me fai ki ko ko moto Kita boleh haful kata boleh mau bahan di mana sendiri. Boleh pakai nama. Kue baru, kalau ini dah seilo dia, itu ilo kue tidak berjaya. Kadang kita mau bahan di mana sendiri, nama kayak malu itu. Eu tale ai tu fino o Paul Goldie Taufa di me boni ko kwam di fai haki ani ki ya mawa Marome. What do you do? What Hawaii? Ta mo ka so mai ko ni tu ka we le a fa ta mo ta na ka ko ni tu ko ku hi mo na ko se ko na Latu wa ko ha o Latu ai ana to ki he ni ka mata ki lau hi mi wa ki ya na to ko fu fa mo ya ki to o lau fa ma ri ni ke wa o fa ya ta re ya kau nga Fairfield ko tahan ko ni ko Koloti Taufa ko to tahan ko ni ko tu pil ko tahan ko pe ko hange ni ha lu mo tu ai family o ko ne no fo pe ko re pe ko ta su ta ya o ko ya ta hi family ta ya o fa ri ya pe ya kai na ta hi me a ko ya Okay, ya mahui ngana ai Koloti Taufa. Hangen na dia ko ya no kwa. Kaya ha fai a ko mai o na sifo. Pero dia ko ha fa to ngai te na foto wa mai. Ko te ara ka ta ma ni ko wa na fai a ho na ko pau te ai na fu pu na fo ko ya. Patai lai ko no pa ko pa wa. Si o ko ka ko ni
tau mea ulahe whanau ka awe whipuha koini i kai ai. O kune hanga wha manatu mai e mahu inga a ene mo i hene fotu ang e whamiri. Tako mea nia e whamiri o kuto ke kai. Kai aha taha kune whai e ngāwe mahu inga ko ia tau ange hamo taritari ki au. O whamaloa tuka te koe ai poha i ene kalamai te uwhitu takia. I ngahi mea kuto ai whamiri. Kou wat. O wat te muhanga whakangaloki ai ko i. Tutuni ko ia kaya ha mea hoko ya mo fitu taki mai ka mo risi ko hi ko fitu ko ia ka lo ko mea hoko ge to ka nga kaloni e fitala mo ko to ko wa ya ko hi kia kai ki ama be fa to mai ma e ko fai fi kau e be ka fai fi kau ko mo le na ma hoa ko pa pe ke te kuna ki hoa ko o ko ke tau na ma pe be he a fo no ma o te toka nga ko ke lawa tau koe au o te mautama ko ia tukua me oski na ko kupi ko ata ia o tau ko ke o kwa ko no ma o hui ko ka hau to fao sia ke ria ko mata no fao si ko tangata ko ni ko to fu ke to fitu ka ke ko a he ko ma ko ko ti ko ma ke ngata a ko ia e oski ma ko le ke ni al fihala ko kau mua tangatan dia ko aho be na ho fa o sia ma ko tau lagi ko ha u fa ka tapu ko al ko long ko so ha me ko ai o ang ka ko ti ko ko ni na ma ko tangata ko ni o tai ka be ka o wa le o ni kalau ke alu ko ti ka ko ki fuwa ha dia kata hal apa yang pakai begini fitur tadi apa begitu fitur tadi itu kata hasil cahaya macam lu lope. Opo falah itu tadi kuat. Ya mau di peho falah cahaya lope. Dia mau hasil cahaya macam. Tapi api yang diharap kamahino itu macam. Opo jika lu mau fajri dia mau ayah mau pakai api, wah udah mau sih. Betul ini ngata di abu lope di. Ko ni asia nge pea ko timo kalon ko ni api mo ui he peri ko la inu o ku fetu mui ko to pe kalon mo ko tio osi ya kalon o wana mata he ko ho fa nga mali pe ala o ke mo ui pe alo pe tia pe sa mari ki se ko mau fa to ni ya ke fa mana tua api ai alu to ta ko ni o i ala ke ko fa te ni api mo pe ko lo toleria o ke ne o pe fa i ke ka final ka ate de la igreja a ko fia ko final o ka me pe ko vita ai pe ia ke o se na me ai kai mama ni ka to alo ti la pa ka doa ate ko ba ta la manu me o fa la hia ki ke mo to
As there is time to give a few testimonies, I'll actually share a short testimony before I ask somebody else to step on up. For a lot of you out here, you probably don't know who I am. My name's Paul Taufa. My father is the elder sibling to Paul Taufa of Koloti. I'm here today with my siblings, the families are here. After Tukutau, it's Tau Teau, Whaifakau and Tonga, with his son Sione, and their family. Actually, I should go back one. There was Toma Hapai who passed away many years ago as a young man. After Toma Hapai was Tukutau, after Tukutau was Tau Teau, after Tau Teau was Sefi Lee, and Sefi, with his son Pokimai, who's here, and his family. After Sefi Lee was Koloti, married Kaloni, Emma and Morris. After Koloti, we have another uncle, Iwaki, who lives in Rabaul in Papua New Guinea. He has his family living there. He married a Papua New Guinean. We also have Jennifer, who lives in Wellington. She married a Solomon Islander. She lives there with her family. We're all the children and grandchildren of the late Sione Taufa and Amalani Latu. And I see amongst you all here all of family and relatives of both Sione and Amalani. And coming from a missionary background, we're actually quite a dysfunctional family. When my grandfather passed away, some of my aunties and uncles had not met each other in close to 30 years. And the same happened when my grandmother had passed away as well too, Amalani. And coming from a sort of dysfunctional family, we had uncles and aunties who were born in Tonga, and aunties and uncles born in Papua New Guinea. And when Sione and Amalani returned back to Tonga in 1975 after serving more than 30 years out in the field in Papua New Guinea through all the different conditions as being missionaries in the early days before Papua New Guinea had independence, it's always a great honor that our parents were Tongan missionaries. We always went back to Tonga, and this is where Koloti comes into the picture. Even though we were all in different parts of the world, grew up in different countries, Koloti always made it his business to always call us, just like Amalani used to. And always remind us of our Tongan heritage. Say, be proud of who you are, and be proud of your family. And whenever we came to Sydney, we'd go and we'd stay with Koloti and Kaloni, and they'd always pull us together to remind us of our Tongan heritage as well too. And for that, we truly are thankful to our Uncle Koloti for all that he shared for all our family members. We were all treated the same, and every Christmas we'd go home, we'd spend time with Sione and Amalani. Koloti would turn up with Kaloni and their family, and Tautea would be there with his family, and we'd have and Auntie Sefi was always there with her family as well, and we'd have wonderful Christmases at home. But even though we grew up in different parts of the world, it was always important to be family. And I think that's something that Koloti always shared, always trying to pull us together. So family is important. You've always got to stay together, stick together, communicate, know who your relatives are, love them. It's too late when they're dead. Come and say hello when they're alive, and show that you love them, not just by word, but coming and embracing them, and making them feel part of your family, which is something that I have to say that Uncle Koloti did extremely well, and something that I'm always proud of. We grew up in Papua New Guinea, and I was very privileged that Koloti and Kaloni made the effort to come twice to visit us. Koloti came to Papua New Guinea because he knew he was born in Papua New Guinea, but he wanted to come and see the country where he was born before he was taken back to live in Tonga, to be raised by his grandmother Emma. When he came, that's all he talked about, being part of a family. And I guess that's part of being Tongan and the Tongan heritage. That family is a big thing, that everyone sticks together, no matter what it is. It's not about how much you earn, what you do in life. It's about still being family, and living and working together, and reminding each other that we still love one another. And for that, I'd like to thank Koloti, I'd like to thank Kaloni. And whenever we came to Sydney, there was always a lot of love, a lot of laughter. Koloti was always the instigator, a lot of that laughter. Always sharing his love and his laughter with his lovely wife, his two beautiful children, and all his wonderful grandchildren. For that, I'd like to say thank you very much, Koloti. And also, leave the microphone open. We are running ahead of our schedule at this time. For anybody else who'd like to come forward and share a few words, testimony, I know there are a few congregation members here as well too. The first time I came to this church was close to 40 years ago. We passed through for Christmas on our way back to Tonga. And we came into this little Uniting Church, which Koloti and Kaloni were congregation members, and they have been for many years as well too. It's lovely to be back under the circumstances. Very sad that we're here to share the life of our good uncle. But I'd also like to see it as a celebration of his life. For a man who shared a lot of laughter, a lot of love, and that's why a lot of you are here. And I think that's testimony of the type of person that he really was. Thank you very much. The microphone's still open. If anybody would like to step forward, or we can pass the microphone around for a few people to share a few words.
Te kole beke hopanga na whata kua whaki. Ka taha mō ke whanamare koini. Ke whahaki vai mahi. Ka manat me lia. Ke tamau eiki. Ko tomai. Ko huspaniti. Ko pui. Ko tokohua. Ko whaetanga. Ko hinga tau heni ki pompomi. Whakatoroa ki mai whahu. Peki o motu a. Peki hui tau. Ma whanau paia. Peki hata ki lotu. Ma ngai whakongai whae. Ngai whakongai tamai. Ko tau heni pompomi. Ko la kore whamore more pe. Nā pāla nei, e tōa te mei moani. Ka koto o peku pai. Ana he mea, nā kua o sia e taimi o mo ui a Koloti. Ko whirmotoa o whahoa, ko sisiri a kura, ko si iao i he waifi o Koloti. O kumata o hua whiwhine pe, toko ana tangata, a whangatonga ane. Pa whakamōmo, ki o tonga ane, ko matonga ane, ko whaiwhana se a skoro, ka toki a o mai. Ki whaiwhai mahi, ka kōpū, toko ngā iane. Ka pāpepe taimi. Ladies and gentlemen, I am aware that there are some non-Tongan speakers here today, this morning. I would like just to share a few words, good memory, happy memories of Paul Goldie Taufa. My name is Cecilia Kulon. I am Kolti's wife's younger sister, the only sister. And on behalf of my sister, the widow, I would like to say a few words in the memory of my brother-in-law. E ka mataanga o e whioi mato tāko ini, alo e manatu ke blank ahu. Nā ni huwhi hei ho malot whare i tō fua. Ke ahoni, ahana e malolo ai, o pegei peg, ke ngā horo e Koloti. Ko wak aho na me huwhi hei ho mau api, na tarangi ki ai, ke alu ki hau. And each and every time I come to his house, and I want something from there, he would remind me, remember the first day I came to see your sister? You told me to leave the house, back in Tonga, 42 years ago. And every time he reminded me. Nevertheless, I used to say to him, and look where we are now. He was always chirpy, he was always happy. My brother-in-law, not like other brother-in-laws, not like other in-laws. You hear of the common thing about, oh, we don't talk to each other. Sister's husband is this, hopeless, no good, selfish, whatever. My brother-in-law and our family, I'm talking about my side of the family, always have this relationship about us going. He was actually a person that balanced out our financial situation in more than one ways. Because each and every time the family will have to come to a wedding or doing some donations or anything for a funeral, or as we all know about the Tongan how we do things, our family, he's always the one that think about tomorrow. We can put what we can afford We can contribute that, and this is something I learned from him. But always leave something for tomorrow. Sometimes I wonder whether he was a Tongan or just because he was born in Bougainville that he had some Western blood in him. Because he always rationed everything, even food. He's always planning stuff. And that was something that I sort of learned from him. And each and every time I enter his house, and of course he already rationed his food or whatever, I will pack whatever I need from his cupboards or the kitchen or from the pot, and off I walk away. And he would often stop me and said, "Excuse me." And I said, "Yeah, what's your problem?" And he goes, "You're walking with nothing, and you're walking out with how many bags, how many dishes you got there?" And I used to say to him, "Why do you waste your time? Why do you waste your air telling me each and every time I come here that I come with nothing and I take so many things?" Because it wouldn't make any difference. I still come and take whatever I need or I want from his house. And this is the relationship we have. On Sunday afternoon, when I got the call from my sister that he was very ill, and we got to the house, the doctor arrived, and Morris called the ambulance. We rushed him to the hospital. The whole night, Sunday night, and the doctors have spoken to us that he wouldn't make it within the next 24 hours. The whole of Sunday night, we were at the hospital, at the intensive care in Liverpool. He was conscious. And all this time, he was so worried about his wife, for her to have some rest. And during that night, he even called me at about 3 o'clock in the morning. And he said to me, "Take her home. Take her home because I want to have a rest." He asked us to take his wife home so he can rest. So I had to beg my sister, "Please, let's go because your husband needed some rest." But I didn't realize that he meant he needed to answer his calling, but his wife was still around and the children were still there. And so now, what comforted my sister, and I just realized, because I said to his son, I said, "Morris, come here, say a prayer." So Morris said a prayer, and as soon as Morris finished praying, he started praying. Morris said a prayer in Tongan, in English, and Paul actually said a prayer in Tongan. My sister actually was very happy. I think she was, by this time, my sister was ready to go home. But early that morning, we all left and we wanted to go home to have some rest. While his daughter Emma will stay beside him. And we came outside to actually walk out of the hospital, but we couldn't find our brother. So my sister and I sat there at the hospital looking for our brother. And here comes 4 o'clock, we still couldn't find him. So we sent Morris on a mission to go look for my brother. And Morris came back and said that our brother was at the church praying. So we stayed for a little while. We were so tired and we said, "Morris, please go and get your uncle." We went to go home. So again, Morris went to the chapel. It took him a while, and then they came back. Our brother wasn't very happy because he wanted to stay there the whole night. But what I wanted to share with you all, that my brother-in-law was just wanting what's best for his wife. And even though he was suffering, even though he knew he was coming but he wanted the best for his wife. Koloti malo ako dito. Wag mahalo ka ko eh. I'm sure, as I have said to my sister today, when she walked into church and cried, and she said to me, Angela, my husband's still alive. I said to her, just imagine what your husband would have said to you right now. Be happy. Be happy. Life goes on. And that's the message that he's left with us and with me today. Be happy. Life goes on. He lived a good life. He fought a good fight. And he's accomplished. And he's at home. Farewell, my dear brother. Love you to the sky. Malo.
Oh, Savior. Call upon Sione Taufa, nephew, to come in, share another testimony.
Dia vio agora do tomar. Bata boa do de fahu. Tau de mudua, ma do tef. Uito tabu bata mawa e sino de dia odi. Abia giria no ye ku na wa sia ye vio e mo na ve ko di. Ulati, Koloti, Koloti Taufa mulai tong, Paula mun family mau Christmas, patah di Moimoi mau kui, lo siapa maman. Dia berita mana nau, bagai di Moimoi Koloti, na ipe Koloti ayah, dihangai beya belai tahai fatau. Cái bé cô tí ấy, hắn ấy biết phải phá với phá Mỹ cả tổ và đã đến cô tí yêu xí yêu tăng đại đi ya tập béo và mới tăng đại cái mà đã bồi còn nhiều đủ tàu karena udah sesuatu wow kalau fakaka ka cô tí phụ niu atau béo pulau tí em quen nào quá nên ai bé bé có to pulau ai bé pada tu uang kanan dia ai dia betul ke defa hobi family timeline tau be pe kilo ko ko ti ko no to fe o man to ha fi ne ko se bli mo se fa e ko ngai me ko to be ya o to fa mo be ya ta be na nya ta e be fa na o se bli mo se fa ta be me ya ke dia ai be ko ti ke tawa ta na no to o ko ko wa nge ko na family ni o na o kai sai no no fo kau hanga ko ti o ai o nga ko ni ke sivi ya ke lo ko family pe ko fa na mon ai o ma tu na o ave lo tu pe ko fa na o pe ya na o klau ko na o ma tu na o ave lo tu ko ko ni ki kau na no o dai ko fa pe ko no u me o fele ka ko ti hanga ko na la nga se ko na ko Sekretaria ai family tatape family o amalani mo family o sione na ta holo e family me ko do be o fai pe na ka ke nga fo popular e ka kai ha ta do tu ko me be na wa ko ai ko ne ta ko do be o ta ka do ni ka pe family sa ha ka ka pa ke mo wa nga we mau hi nga we ka pe family pa ke ha pa kai sai be pero me ta na ko ya ko ha he mo ya ko ti me ta ke na fo popular ai family ke na popular e na no fo e fo no ko ti ho fa ti ko e fo la wa ka tu mai ka te ma to family ke ma ta fa mi pe te ma te ho wa te ne ko na ta ko lo pe te ma ta o ke ma ta na family ko ye be ki mana te ka ko fa la ha ka ko e talon ma mo si ema e fai ngata o hogo o pare o pare de motor ato
I'd like to call someone from the Latu family. Come forward, share a few words.
Hilang yang dia waktu tahu mana iman-iman kita hidup. Betul. Kemudian informasi lain kami juga informasi lain kalau misalnya enak enak terus kalau ini kita dua kita tiga ini yang awal itu aku yang kita buat. Kepala hati malu.
Caught up with our running schedule. Continue on with a few items from the grandchildren. I'd like to call upon the Alifa family to come forward. Continue on with our program. Get the Rookwood Pair children presenting item. Thank you.
Oh,
programa ni kuhusu omega wa mati kama hofu pada ni ini le programa kwa nunua tena programa hasil itu faida itu Moses Latu dan kalau sia lalu era historia sempre era hidup ya upaya itu
pakatap di tol kai berdua ramai ramai mahunya ya pakatap wen di dia di Paul Koloti Taufa yang Moimoi Haron Fanau Mampun Bagi bahu yang mulai umutu kaya betul, mungkin itu kaya put itu orang ini. Kalau ingat, jangan tak boleh Koloti ingat apa? Koloti Taufa. Con câu đi sốt sơn cháo của một bà nắng máu ta chào được phải chơi cầu có cái ngồi này rồi nào còn phê thì không còn lại Pushaki phải tạo kéo là một con kỳ bởi vì là lại ăn ra sân tại đi số bên mà ăn thì là hồi số một là nó phục về tổng có là một đi để có được thì đây siêu mà làm mà có một điên rồi mà làm nên có cái gì là cái ổ là khu tô ngay nếu như tô về quốc mình bắt cái bê chẳng hạn nhớ cũng tàu hoa để màu nô coi tê hoa coi tê phải kéo tao kéo còn nó phải hoa vậy chắc bị kéo ai tụ tại rồi tụi nó rồi có lối tí rồi có cả mùi này không mà tụi họ thì họ phải coi historia coi nữa các cô bé cái điều tôi phải lo lao pe ở đây chỗ này học võ coi đây chỗ này tôi đã bu phải là cái mà
coi Paula na mo uspanong anh này thì sao mình lại làm như vậy để số đi của sao mình tiêu sao mình mà vào vậy thì vậy kalau vậy Obani mau ya metro ya kaletia wahenima vesiwo wa ki wano ta coi phua về la marie coi offa coi fia coi melino coi anga mokomoko coi anga offa coi anga tonu coi anga falala coi anga kata coi anga fakamau Bukan halal kita ofingan dia pergi. Ako ginauton ko kalay sisu na natutup ni Kolosi kakano mononga yo imohori. Kapag walang mari tamo uyay. Taula ka foki walang mari. Owan ataw hiki yesi ongo o fetore pole o keneheka aki.
Ôi thế là nguồn của coi nên bộ quý còn nhà mà về kia nhà mà với tao là cái mũi là chọc lại bị tổ hồn mà cả nhau hay cách thì bà em bị ấp ông đi lo về họ nó hoa cô này mình thì phải rồi lại bị hệ là làm một quê để tao bồi phục cái phu lòng mà đi mà mình con thì tao bồi thì có hoài có gì cái tốt thì tao ấy mẹ nó cho tao ấy tôi rồi có ấy rồi thì ai mà cho này để con mẹ là nó phát triển thì cái thì chúc vậy ai phải để phò mình ta uy o alo nhà này hốc thì nhau thì tao tôi hốc rồi phải nằm ai tu phải có dây nếu có việc có hai ngày xia cái tao dây rồi mẹ có xin nói là mày ôi mẹ coi mà lo coi là có lợi tí là phải vậy ta nó cái cái coi mà thế ta phải coi mắt bà là mi bà sẽ ơi một thế ha coi câu coi à xì xú rồi tao này coi mồi anh ấy quên là họ không là sao đi về lại hao giờ Osmalo rồi và ta cái này là cái bố áo đeo thì phải tổng hợp người ăn này không có bà mà chỉ vui mà sao cô mày thì có xe ở bà cô câu tổng nhớ của loại ăn mà quá lúc thì phải tôi ở bên nào một rồi nó câu có một rồi đi ok vậy cũng môi rồi đi tôi đi vào tam theo để điอยู่ไปหาอะไรกันโอ้ยไม่ได้โซนเดียวโอ้ยเรามาเยี่ยมไอ้ทับเขาไอ้จิตเราไปพัวเราไปมาไอ้โอ้กับมวยเยี่ยมที่อ่ะมวยไม่ดีมวยแล้วอ่ะเพราะคริสเตียนมันตัวเป็นอาชีพเราเอาPaul Koloti Taufa kami ako tope Muhammad at Koloti at ako panakunukan ko yan ang pal ako pal pejutak panaw ko matulog punaw magkoloti tôi đến để tôi có tổ nó mau có đào rồi cô có lối đi thì ai nó có phải tao là ông ta làm gì vậy cũng nghe thì hey cũng nghe cô si mà nó phải màu lúc buổi này ta đi tua phải mà cho con quên mà nó thôi thằng mắt khi cua nhiều đâu mà đi mà rồi nhiều kia đâu bok oi a ku ki he ai takato oi i maranga maro oi i mi ku foto ke Pano pao pihen elaw mai pe amai ape taura ro ya tali ai ku pe ngani ha usila ya ma ta pui ho mai o ngawi ha pa ya ho pi elaw mari Pai ka tupe o lu ka tamai malo e tuta tau ki mau moana lau mai e tuta ka mo yo ko e fu mo yo ko ha yo ka tamai ko to i lo ni ka
Eu cole que o fanga e pakatap ko pe ko os pakahok ko may mo ani kaya ka ke o pakahok ko ay pio kalap mo historia ay kekia inelea pakapilitan niya. Greetings to the Uniting Church leaders and the congregation members of this church. Greetings also to the Taufa families who have come all the way from Papua New Guinea, Australia, New Zealand, and Tonga. The biography and history of the deceased. He was born in Kieta, Central Bougainville, in 1951. The number 5 out of 8 children. When he was born, my parents named him Paul Goldie. Goldie, the first missionary, Australian Methodist missionary that went to the Solomon. And when our parents went back to Tonga on their leave, after Koloti was born, they left him with our grandmother, as already mentioned. The 8 children of Amalani and Taufa, the first one was Taumaha Apai, born in Napualu, Tongatapu. He was 1 year old when he passed away in Napualu. The second is Tukutau Taufa, a doctor of medicine, trained in Port Moresby and other places overseas, and worked for a number of years in Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea, and also in other countries. And he is now living in Townsville with his family. The third one is Reverend Taudel Taufa, born in 1945, Tukutau in 1943, and the eldest in 1942. Taudel was a minister of the Free Wesleyan Church of Tonga for a number of years, and he retired a couple of years ago and lives in Topoa, Tongatapu. The fourth one is myself, Jeffrey Taufa. I used to teach in Bougainville secondary schools. I went back to Tonga and taught in Tonga secondary schools as well as in the Ministry of Education. Also in a new ministry that was established, Internal Affairs, Youth, Sports, and Culture. And I am now living in our parents' home in Malapo, Tongatapu. The next one is the deceased, Paul Koloti Taufa, and his wife. He met after he went through Auckland, came to Sydney, got his permanent residency and his citizenship, went back to Tonga and met Ilaisane Kakala Paul. And a marriage took place after that. Koloti had to come back by himself because Kaloni had to stay back and look after our grandmother, Emma Latu, in Tongatapu, Hawaii. A couple of years later, Kaloni came to Sydney, Fairfield, and joined Koloti, and they have now 2 children. First one, Emma Piwaki, now Tonomai Pea. And the second one is Morisi Pakatolele Taufa. After the deceased, there is Liwaki Taufa up in Papua New Guinea, pastor of a revival church there, and he lives in Papua New Guinea. And then after him, there was a girl born on Lorraine Mission Station on Bougainville, Lydia Leslie Taufa. 1 year later, she passed away and was buried there in that mission station in Bougainville. And the youngest is Jennifer Sama. She now lives in Wellington with her husband from the Solomon. So that is the brief history of the deceased and his siblings in the Taufa family. I would say that Koloti was a very strong character in his way. He had his mind of his own in words and deeds, and had faith in God, experience in whatever he did and said. Koloti loved everyone, as has already been mentioned from the front. And he knew most people, families, relatives, and friends in Tonga, India, and elsewhere. He used to contact about once every month to communicate with everyone, as was mentioned already. Good relationship in the family. I think our parents expected him to be a reverend, a minister, because of his name, Paul Goldie. But God has his own way through characters, and like Koloti, a man of his own mind and actions. Rest in peace, Koloti. Brother, husband, father, uncle, and a friend to one and all. Mau opalang yatu, mau mana tumeli. Thank you.
Awesome. We apologize to keep the program rolling. We've moved on. We're going to sing our closing hymn, hymn number 591. And I'll ask that we sing just 2 verses. They'll be followed by our closing prayer by the brother. Then closing prayer will be done by deceased brother, Reverend Taufa, after the closing hymn. 2 verses, please.
Mokara ko hiwa mai himi tuku ko lima ngeau hiwa kumata. Ohia taha e piki mau pe, sisu pe, sia kai ngai kai ngau, sisu pe tene whai te osi, si tau kofa kai motuwe, tene pūpau i a kowi, sisu pe.
Ko ai hata e piki mau pe.
Te mau atu i ta gaua sisu pe e ki kaya na fata pu sisu pe o kule ka we te apsia ha we te vai pu to ka me ko fare ia sisu pe
Ia ngau mo ua ai pia monu ia. Mau ato ai whakapetai I ho ofa ki ho mau toko wani. Ho peteang ia me ngahai kōpio I māma halani. Mau tuku Gloria ki o tua topu tapu. Koe ui, ko ho kau semani ki ko hiki he lotu mo oni. Ia mau kore ki ke pinangaro lele o whakakakato a laus. O ho kakai whiri. O whakatoto o mai ho pureanga. Koe ui e au sia e ki mau tolu, moki nau tolu ko hiki atu nā. Ai whakahao hawa e sino mera mari. Ia monu ia moi Gloria o I tā niki. Ia si su kais ko mau eiki. Amen.
Stand
fola mai e ko sisu. Ko au pe ko toi tu pe moi mo ui. Ko ia tu pi ki tai ki te au. Neongo ko pe kia ka tene mo ui pe. E ilonga ai au mo ui mo tu pi ki tai ki te au. E kai au pito tene mate o tai ngata. E o ko ilo ko mo ui a haku koeri. Pe tene tu mai ki funga e fuki mui. E hiri hokiri hono aunga pe he. Ka ko ia ai pe haka kano. Te mamata kia e loha. Aia te mamata ki ai o kune kaumo au. Pea ko kuni mata e sio ki ai o ikai o i kehe.
Hei, koko e ho mauno fuanga. I tau tangata mo i tau tangata. Te eki whakatopu ai ngā i mo unga. Te whanau i a mamani mo i whanua. Io, talo mei mua o lawi kuong. Koe o tua pea e a Fiona. O ke whakafoki ki he fu ai tangata mea vai vai. Pea ke pehe haka o a tama poki mai. He koe tau e ape i ho o wakai. O kuhange koe ane api ene osi. Pe hako i wasi he po uri. O ke awe ki nau toro hange Hawaii wha. O kuhange ha mohe o nau kotoa. Pongi pongi o kunau hange ha muka i musi e. Pongi pongi lanu mata o telewawe. He fiapi tuosi hiko te mai.
Ka koe ni, mo whakatu a kalaisi me he peki a. Koe polo polo e whahinga ku o mohe. E koe mea i e whau mai i a tangata ai mate. Pea whau mai i a tangata whoki ai toi tu o e peki a. Io, hange tau whea ku mate kotoa pe i a tama. Pe whoki e whakamaui hake kotoa pe i a kalaisi. Ka e takitaha i hono wahenga. Koe polo polo ko kalaisi. Hoko ai aki nau tolu oku o kalaisi. O ka whai ene hā ere mai. Toki hoko ai ngata anga. O ka tukuangi e ia ai pure anga ke o tua. Io, ki he tamai. O ka kuone whakakaanga ai pure kotoa pe mo tunga kotoa pe mo e malohi. E kua pau kene hau. Kai oua kene tuku ai whiri kotoa pe ki hano lalo wae. Tā kua whakakaanga mo e whiri whakamui. Amate, e o kulau, ane tūke e lalo mai o nā ai mea kotoa pē.
E mate, ko whaaho huna. E mate, ko whaaho huna. Koe huo e mate ko e angahala. Pea koe mālohinga o e angahala, ko e lao. Ka e whakawhetai ki e o tua, e ne tuku mai ke tau i kuna i ho tau eki ko siso kalaisi. Ko ia si o kukainga o whaanga ke mou tu mau ta e ngaue. O mou tuku le kina mau ai pē i ngaue ai eiki. I o mou ilon ko e mea i he eiki. O mou whakaongosia o kuikai ke lau whanau.
Ko e tangata ko whanau i e he whewhine o ku fuonou nou ene mo ui. Pea ku whonu i he mamahi. O kune tupu hake pe tu usi o hangeha pisi a kau. O kune more o hangeha ata. Pea ku ikai au pito hane tuu mau. Lolo tonga e mo ui o ku amate ki tau tolu. Pea te mau alu ki a hai ke kumitokoni. Ikai koe a Fiona pe. Neongo kua mau whakatupu o hau hau totonu. Ake mau ngahi anga hala. Kai oua e tukuange aki mau tolu eiki. Oua e o tua maa oni oni ange whau. Oua e eiki mafi mafi. Oua e whakamaui. Maa oni oni kai alo ofa. Oua teke tukuange aki mau tolu ke ngahi mamahi kona o e mate tae ngata. O kuke a whioi eiki. Ai ngahi mea fufu a mau loto. Kai oua nā tāo whiowhwhonga alo whāme mau ngahi lotu. Ka ke whakahawh ki mātolo e a Fiona. A egi maani oni ange whau. A o tua mafi mafi. A whakamaui maani oni kai alo ofa. Ai whakamau motu taha o i tā niti. Aua te ke tuku ke mau hinga mea te koe. I o mau houa whakamui. Koe ui ko hama mahi o i mate. Koe mea e whina ngaro he o tua mafi mafi. Ke ui ange.
You put second Koloti to one and more. Okay, đi. Quay cái túi rồi. Wait. Come here.
Nice and easy. Grab that one. Okay. At the count of 3, we all lift, but then everybody lower it like this, hand behind hand, like that. So you let go and pull behind, not forward. You got it, Macca?
Yeah.
Like that.
Ready?
No, wait. How are we going to do it?
We hope. Let them.
Yeah. No. Not like that. Unwrap it from your hand. Everybody, we go 1 and then go back. 1, 1 at my count. Lift up. Lift up.
Two.
Okay. Now we drop 1, hand back. That's it. And let go. Let go with your front hand. With your front hand, let go, and then put it behind your other hand, one at a time.
One at a time.
See, he's got it right. Go. Back. That's it.
Hey, you hand on, way.
Yeah.
Make it straight.
See? Hang on to that end.
Straight. Sian it.
Your side.
Your side. Just pull to your side. Sian. Push it. Go to Fagi.
Not that one. And Macca, can you take that one? You pass that to Macca? Yeah. Macca, you pull that way. That's it.
It's still Paul. Make it straight to the back there.
Yeah, pull that. Yeah, pull that one. That's it. Let go of this one. Drop it.
It's alright.
That's it?
Yeah.
Pull it out from that side. You're stuck. That's all pull. Let's just pull and pump. Yep. That's it.
That's it. Sai como é?
Koe mea e whinangalo e o tua mafi ke uianga e lau mari o si o tau toko ua kua hikini. Koe e au tau tuku hono sino ki he whanua. Ai e kere ki he kere. Ai e fu ki efu. Ki e ilo pau. Ka ilonga ki nau tolu kua pekia e ki te nau toi tuku ke mo ui tai ngata e eiko tau whaka mo ui. Ai a tene ririwa e sino e tau mo ulaloani. Ke alaanga mohono sino langi ia o nā. E o ngoi harea me langi nei pehe mai tohi. Monu ia pekia i he iki. Pe aku fola e lau maari e. Io, koe hui, te nau mālolo. Mehe nau whakaongo sia.
E o tua alo ofa koe tamai ahau mau e ki ko ti sokalai si. Ai a koe toi tuu Moimoi. Pea ka tui e ha taha ki ai te re mo ui. Neongo e ne pekia. Pea koia oku mo ui. Mo tui piki tai kia te ia. E i kai tene mate e tae ngata. Oku mau whakatau whoroforatu. E tamai. O kore ke o tu ki mautonu me he mate o anga hala ke mo ui e mā oi oi. Koe uhi ke mau ka hok. Ka hik, ka mau ka hik. Ihe mo ui. Ke mau malolo i ene awhio. Pea ka hoko, kai aho whakamui. Moi toi tūlahai. Ke hoi fua ko whina ngalo e te mau tolu. Ka mau ma ai tāpua alo pele. Ai a ene omi e te mau tolu. Napasia e a fia. E he omi ki mau tolu ai whaai. Ku whakamolu ia e ene tamari. Mau hoko i pureanga ku toka te keu o mau tolu talu e tanu kou o mamani. O whamai e ko e mau tamai manawa au omi ai mea ko ia si sukalaisi o mau whakamoui whakamoula loa o mau kupu. Pea koe kelesi ai eki ko si sukalaisi. E moi ofa e o tua mo fewe lau mare maa ni. Ofa ke nopo ia. Ki tau tolu o na hiri. Kai whai pe o ta ngata e me.
tua mafi. Matap ko Latu kep. Tapo fotel. Atal sonua. Matap ke naik paskau na ona. Angal mawi ngahot. Matap ben ke tau mua. Paul Koloti. Matap ke witau. Một cái ngọ để phôi lên đây mà tập kia cái ngọ mẹ lau xi à phôi treo mẹ hostel để một cái ngọ phôi cái to pe cũng một lao mà mai tao phá cái hết cả à Koloti out còn một mối yang cái peo ko tunga rean he hala ko fetaula ki mo Koloti ke lo tofare o ahio ka ko huria o hanga to motua fe fa fonga ya twene ai witau mo fa na pa ya fa malo ke mo tol ko to pe ko mo lava mai tau ka nga fa ke heka a Koloti he ahot. Ko kore mo whakaamu. Ka hiri ani. Ko talawa aia. Bua ke peka teo. Ke tok whaka os. Tok whatongia. Ke pekia. Leble mai maranga. Tua whatu.
On behalf of myself and Mackenzie and all of our staff, we'd like to offer our sincerest condolences for Paul's passing. And on behalf of Morris, Emma and the family, we'd like to thank the clergy for their prayers and blessings, and all of you for your love, care and support during this difficult time. May he rest in peace and may God bless you all. Thank you for being in here in support of the family, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you.